and welcome to my haul video. I have not done a normal I was going to say sit down, I'm standing up currently, but you know, a setup video in a long time. I have been vlogging quite a bit, well, you know, I've been vlogging, but I've not done this in such a long time, and I'm so pumped because today I have got 3 hauls to film and we're kicking it off with a Primark haul. So first and foremost, I need to apologise. As you can probably hear in my voice, I am very congested. I've been ill the past week and it's probably due to this. So I had to film here today because I was like, I've got to take advantage of such a beautiful backdrop. I am from Bristol, as most of you guys know, and this never happens. Although we are in the UK, we rarely see any sight of white, and today you could literally ski in it. It is magical. All the shops are closed, all the offices are closed, everyone's snowed in, and what better opportunity than to take advantage of this background and being at home. So do excuse the little bit of nasaliness. I also might get a little bit out of breath. It's just because I'm kind of a little bit congested. But either way, super pumped about doing these hauls. So yesterday I went to Primark and I did a massive shop of just some stuff, that essentials I needed to get, and of course some other bits. Now for you guys who don't know, in a week's time, a week today actually, it is Friday the 3rd or 2nd today, whatever it is, I think it's the 3rd. I will be going abroad. I'll be on my flight right now to go to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, my second home, and then after that I'm also going to be going to Australia in 3 days after that time for my best friend's wedding. And currently, obviously, Malaysia in the tropics is bloody boiling, and Australia at the moment is around 25 to 30 degrees, so it's also extremely warm there. So I needed to do a Primark holiday shop and summer shop. Without further ado, without blabbing, there's all the updates and let's get into it. I'm going to start off with something first of all that I just picked up at the till just because I really liked it. It's this wrapping paper, which you can't really see it too well on camera, but it is so beautiful. It's holographic. I've got the white one in the corner. I just like keeping a couple of rolls of wrapping paper at hand in my room because obviously for like friends' birthdays and that. So I love this. I didn't even check the price. This is the problem with like when you're walking down the till. They've got the canvas bags and they've got all the bits and bobs and like this stuff, which I really didn't need, but it's so pretty. Okay. How many items did we get? I did go with my nan, and my nan did get a few, like 3 or 4 things, but nothing exciting. Oh, 30 items. 30 items, £142.50, great. Because obviously, oh, and by the way, Rain, my best friend who's getting married, if you're watching this, please don't watch it because there's a couple of things in here that I want to surprise you with. Just please, I know that you're funny about surprises, but just please don't watch it. Please, 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 please do not watch it. It's not a big deal anyway, but I just seen this downstairs. I had no idea that Primark had a little bridal section, but it's really good that they do because it's really hard to find any bridal stuff here because of course like bride season is usually around, when the UK it'll be like June, July because it's our summer. But they had this bunting that just says Mr. and Mrs. I've already got her one bunting already that says Miss to Mrs. But this was just £2.50 and I just thought whatever. Okay, this is the other bridal thing I had to get. Now if any of you are in the UK and obviously have been on a hen do or whatever, the likelihood is you've probably seen these in Primark. They do swimsuits for the bride, so it looks like this. So I got Rain this, says bride, and it's a swimsuit, but I'm probably going to wear mine as a bodysuit, and mine says bride squad. So we're going to be like walking around on our hen do. I'm going to make her wear this, and I'm going to wear this, and we're just going to walk around like. The thing is this one, they literally only had one left in a size 16, so I've tried it on and it's a little bit big, but it's just comfy, so it's alright, and I probably will never wear it again after this. But I got this for Rain as well, and I got it in a 14 because I have no idea what size she is like at all, because obviously I've not seen her in so long. But I'm super pumped with that because I seen these on eBay and they were charging £10 a suit and these were £4 each, but thankfully they had at least, like, they only had like size 20s, 22s and a 16 left, literally 116, so dead happy I got that. I'm so psyched. Like, we're gonna have her bachelorette party, as she's calling it, just walking around, like, gonna go shopping. I'm gonna make her wear that all day. Like, we'll go to the beach. Oh my god, that looks so good at the beach. I need to get a beach shot with us like those on. I'm so excited. It's like, it's gonna be pumping. Like, I'm talking about swimsuits and I can't fathom that this is me and next week I'm going to be in the tropics. Going on with that, I did get a bikini. Now, thankfully Primark has just set out their holiday shop section with all their new stuff. I have to say I wasn't overly impressed with everything they had, but this is the only bikini that I really liked. So I got the top and the matching bottoms, and it's just a plain nude bikini, but it's almost like it's a neoprene material, so it reminded me of Triangle. It's really simple, and this top was £4, and then I got the matching bottoms, which are actually really nice bottoms, although now I'm looking at this, I think I got a 14, but I'm not sure that'll probably be fine because they're not too stretchy, because I've got quite big like hips and bum, but my waist is smaller, so I wanted to get that in a 12, but they didn't have it, so I got this, and this was £4 as well. Is it £3? So I've paid £7 for a beautiful swimsuit. It's really great, and it'll look great with a tan. Like this colour against me right now, oh my god, it'll make me look like literally like a paintbrush. Like this is the wood and I am like the bristles. I just picked these up last minute in the home section downstairs. They're just some little LED lights. I had these above my bed, I still do, but the cable broke on them, so I just want to replace them. But they're really pretty, little copper wiring. Do you guys remember when these lights used to be on like Pinterest and stuff, and you paid like £20 for some lights like this? Like Primark, they just save you from like all these trends. They just bring stuff in and they sort you out. Talking about saving you from trends, I so love that Primark this year have brought back the fluffy sliders. They had so many colours, so many like types of different, like these ones which are like the normal fluffy. They had like the extremely fluffy ones that like come out to here. These are wedged, which I kind of wish they weren't, because I wanted to take these with me travelling, but they're far too heavy. And lucky enough, I did buy a couple more pairs, which you'll see in a next collective haul. Not from Primark though, of course. But these are so great. These are £8. £8! I cannot even. I bought a pair from Shoe that were just normal ones, like normal black fluffy ones, and they were £20. So Primark is absolutely great. They had these in like burgundy, light pink, grey, black. I'm over flip-flops. These are my new favourite thing in the whole entire world, and they are so soft and they are actually really great quality. So yeah, for your sliders, all your slider needs, Primark. This is another thing, I kind of bought it for myself, but then I thought actually, because I don't really wear flip-flops anymore, I'm sure Rain will appreciate them and she'll find them fun. So it just says Team Bride, and it's just a pair of flip-flops, and they were literally, what was it, £2. So they weigh nothing. I thought I might as well take those with me. She can wear them with her new swimsuit. Next is another pair of shoes, and I think this is my last pair, but so I've got my sliders, which to be fair I probably will be living in. I've got a black pair, I've got some other pairs I have to show you in another haul, and I'm probably just gonna bring my wedding shoes and a pair of wedges maybe, and that'll be me done. So I do need something that's going to be a little bit more dressed up, and these were lovely. So these are the sandals. They reminded me of Valentino's, of course, because of the studs, but the studs are legitimately, you know how you can get some really crappy quality ones? These literally look like Valentino studs, like I'm not even joking. Obviously the stitching around them is mediocre, but the studs themselves are amazing quality. They're £6, and I'm half tempted to go back and get the black ones. Oh no, they had it in nude, black and white, and I'm half tempted to go back and get the black ones as well, but great stuff, really beautiful, and we'll just go with everything. Okay, now on to some little clothes bits. So this one, first of all, dead simple. It's just a khaki mini skirt, £3 reduced to £2.50 actually, if I remember rightly, and they just had like a couple left, so I just got this. It's always easy, and I love khaki. Like khaki is my favourite recent colour. I also got a pair of jeans, just because I haven't really like ever... Basically, since I've lost weight, I've been wearing jeans more, and I think it's because they've become more comfortable. I just feel like when you're, like when I was bigger, like jeans weren't comfortable because they were so obviously tight around the stomach, because you obviously have to button them up, but Primark has got so many big jean, like the big jean section, and I've never gone there before, because basically I went in there mainly to look for denim shorts, because I've been in Topshop, I've been in River Island, and I've been in Miss Selfridge, and you're paying like £35 for a pair of denim shorts, and in my book I just can't do that. I've done that once before with jeans, where I spent 45 to 50 quid on a pair of jeans in River Island. I have to admit they're no different to the ones I get in Zara. Zara is my jam. Zara, you spend 25 to 30 pounds, you get amazing, amazing, amazing jeans, and that's where I get my jeans from. But anyway, Primark had these and I really liked them. So it's just ripped skinny jeans, and they were £15, and they're literally just skinny, ripped as they said they were, and the bottoms are like properly frayed, which I really, really love. And I mean, I don't know how well they'll wash, I don't know, because I've never had Primark jeans before, but you know, for the sake of £15, I'm sure I'll get my wear out of them, even if I wear them like a handful of times. I also just got 2 cami dresses. So I got a black cami dress. These are £3.50 a piece. So literally just a black cami dress and a white cami dress. Like this. The white one I was unsure about because I'm sure it'll be kind of see-through-ish. Yeah, so just 2 cami dresses, £3.50 each. I thought if nothing else I can chuck them over my bikini, or if we just run out, at least I've got something. Same with the shorts. I've already got 2 pairs of these, but I wanted to pick up another one. So this is just the normal running shorts, and then I also got them in white as well. Again, I didn't know if I wanted to get white because I thought they'd be quite transparent, but again, £2.50 for the privilege of finding out. Right, so I did end up getting my denim shorts, and actually in the end I nearly walked out with 5 pairs. Lucky enough they didn't have my size in a couple of them. But I got these now. Excuse me. Now these are probably my favourite. So they are obviously acid wash jean, and then they've got these beautiful like embroidered doily like edges, and they're high-waisted, which is great. So again, because now I find it a bit more comfortable to wear denim shorts, I'm going to be like rocking this with like a really nice bandeau top, or a crop top or something. I mean, like, how cute, like, lucky enough I've got my wardrobe open here. How cute with this little, like, this is a pretty little thing top that I got in the sale for like £3. How cute would those two look together? Like, please just tell me how cute that would look. So yeah, like, happy with those. And again, like, I would have in the end, if these weren't about, would have paid £32 for a pair of shorts. These were £12, and I can't tell you how much I actually love them. These I was kind of unsure about of even trying on, but I did try them on and I'm really happy I did. So this is what they look like. They're really different. I've seen nothing like this before. They've obviously got all the rips at the bottom, which I absolutely love ripped jeans. But these little beadings and the studs I thought were really unique. There's nothing on the back. But yeah, I thought they were kind of really festively. Oh no, that one's broke. Oh well. Kind of adds to the whole distressed look, I suppose. When they go in the wash, I imagine a couple more will break. But yeah, again, high-waisted, and I thought just wear that with a bodysuit, or obviously like a little cami top or something. It'll look great. So yeah, and they were £17. I do apologise, probably because they got all the nice little bits on them. Oh god, I lied, I actually got 4 pairs, I didn't even realise. Then I got these, which are the same as the first ones I showed you, the acid wash ones, but they're all black, so they're not acid wash and white, they're just all black. Again, high waist, nice and easy. These were £12 also. So I just paid £24, it's not even like for the price of one for 2 pairs in Primark, so I'm good with that. And finally, these were in a different section, I'm not too sure why. These were only £10, so these were the cheapest, and these are sort of like a very distressed black acid washed jean. I had to get these in a 16, which is really weird because all the other shorts I got in a 14. I mean, my hips and obviously jeans have no give whatsoever. My hips are always, and my bum is bigger, so like that, like I cannot change that. Well, I can change that, I'm in the process of changing that, but you know, for the meantime it's I have to do that. But for some reason these ran, I've not even tried the 16 on yet, this might be too big, but I think you can't really go too big with denim shorts, if you know what I mean. Like, even if I bought a size like 18 or 20, I'm sure that like they would still be comfortable, if, like, because jeans are never gonna be like huge, or they're not. So I don't care the size, no one's going to ever look at the size. As long as you're comfortable in something, that's all that matters. Nearly at the end, that's it for clothes. This is now on to accessories. So I went around the jewellery department, and I did want to get like a bunch of chain necklaces, because, like, you know, the ones that come in the set, because I've got a really pretty outfit that I'm going to show you in my collective haul, which is going to be next, which goes with an outfit I've bought for our rehearsal breakfast for the wedding. But I didn't see anything, well, I did see one, but it wasn't my favourite. Anyway, tassel earrings, always thought was a good idea. And I mean, these were £3. I've seen almost identical ones on Pretty Little Thing and Misguided for £8 to £10, so I thought they were definitely worth a purchase. I love tassel earrings. I don't know where they came from, I don't know who made them cool, but I really like them. Oh my goodness, we're nearly at the end. I've literally got 2 more things to show you and then that's it. So because we're going, again, we're somewhere it's going to be hot and everything, you're probably going to be wearing sandals and sliders and everything, I wanted to get a couple of little anklets. These were only £1.50. Now the thing is, probably these are probably going to, what are they called? You know, go like green or whatever, but I thought for £1.50, even if I just wear it for the, like when we go to the beach for pictures or whatever, they're dead dainty and dead cute. So little anklets. I've not worn anklets for ages. Finally guys, the last thing I got, I have been in Primark multiple times and I've seen this about 3 times, went to go pick it up and thought, no, you don't need it, you don't need it, but then I came home and realised when I packed my makeup, actually I don't really have a decently sized, I have like lots of small little makeup bags. I end up taking about 4 makeup bags when all I need is 1. Then I seen this guy, like you cannot miss this when you go in Primark. Look how freaking cool this is. Now, kind of weird shape, but it's like a bucket. Like, I can just fill this up with my palettes, my foundation, absolutely everything. Oh, it's got a thing in it. Woo. And I have it all in one place. Not to mention that I'm obsessed with this, but it looks like a bubble. It's like a round bubble. I love the bubble material. The bubble material is everything. So this was £5. Little bit pricey for my opinion, but it's because it's all colourful, definitely worth it. But yeah, gonna fill that up with our makeup. And guys, that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video as much as I enjoyed doing it. Primark is great, as we all know, and I am so stocked up now for my holiday. I cannot wait. Yeah, basically if you need any shorts, denim shorts, go to Primark. Do not be paying £35 in Topshop. Like, they are just so brilliant. I got 4 pairs of shorts literally for the price of like 1.5 Topshop shorts. Like, winning. Hope you've enjoyed this background. We've got 2 more haul videos coming. We've got a collective haul and we've got our massive high-end makeup haul. I am dead excited. I'm going to film that now. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up if you have, and I will see you all in my vlogs and my next haul videos very, very soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Ciao!